Hello friends, today in this tutorial I will teach you how you can style your contact form 7 form in your WordPress website. So let's start. First of all, you need to install contact form 7 plugin from WordPress repository. To add CSS styling to your contact form, we will use built-in feature of customization, additional CSS feature. For that, you need to click here on appearance and then customize. After clicking here, you will be directed to this page. Click on additional CSS. Now see this iStyle for step-by-step classes and attributes. You need to visit this link. This is my website link where you will find all the things that will be important in contact form 7. Now this is contact form. This is contact area code. You can simply copy from this website and paste it in your website and style it. Input CSS style for your contact form 7 is the main class which will be used in contact form 7, and by writing input, all the input in your website will be styled. Input type, which is in text form, write this one. Same for phone number and date and etc date, all the feature available in the contact form. This is contact form 7 button CSS. By adding this, you will change the appearance of your submit button, and you can style all the classes and the relevant things from this website. I will give you this link in the video description. I hope that you will like this video. Thanks for watching.